Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Next topic is event. A set of the outcomes satisfying particular condition, that is variable outcomes of a given sample space, is an event. Event is a subset of the sample space. Events are generally denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D and so on except S, because S is denoted for sample space. The number of elements in the event A is denoted by n of A. Now let us see practice set 5.3. First question is, write the sample space S and number of sample point n of S for each of the following experiments. Also write events ABC in the set form and write n of A, n of B, n of C. Now the first is one die is rolled, and here conditions for the event A, B and C are given. Now write on the solution here. One die is rolled. Therefore, the sample space S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now n of S is equal to 6. Now event A, even number on the upper face. Write on here. Condition for event A is even number on the upper face. Now from the condition, now look at sample points in the sample space. Even numbers are 2, 4 and 6. Therefore write down in set A. Therefore A is equal to 2, 4, 6. Now counting the sample points here, we get 3. Therefore n of A is equal to 3. Now the next event B, condition is odd number on the upper face. Therefore write here event B, odd number on the upper face. Therefore B is equal to, now look at sample points here. Odd numbers are 1, 3 and 5. Write down here inside the bracket 1, 3 and 5. Now 1, 2, 3. Write down here n of B is equal to 3. Now next event is event C. Now the condition given here is prime number on the upper face. Prime number on the upper face. Therefore C is equal to, inside the bracket, now we know that prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 or itself. Therefore look at the sample points. 1 is not a prime or unprime number. Now start from 2, 2, 3. Next number 4 is divisible by 2. Therefore it is not a prime. Next is 5. 6 is divisible by 2 as well as 3. Therefore it is not a prime number. Now number of elements are 3 here. Therefore write down here n of C is equal to 3. Second question is 2 dice are rolled simultaneously and the conditions for the event A, B and C are given here. Write down the solution. 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. we know that sample space S is equal to 1 1 comma 1 2 comma 1 3 comma 1 4 comma 1 5 comma 1 6. Next is 2 1 comma 2 2 comma 2 3 comma 2 4 comma 2 5. Next one is 2 6. Now 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6. 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6. Now next one is 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6. Next 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 and 6 6. Now number of sample points here is 36. Therefore write down n of S is equal to 36. Now event A. Now the event A, the condition is the sum of the digits on upper faces is a multiple of 6. Write down here. The sum of the digits on upper faces is a multiple of 6. Therefore A is equal to, now multiple of 6 means 6, 12, 18 and so on. Now sum of the digits on upper face. Now sum here 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore we get here 6. It is multiple of 6. Write down here 1, 5. Now next one 2, 4. 2 plus 4, 6. Therefore it is multiple of 6. Now next one 3, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. It is multiple of 6. Now next one 4, 2. 6 multiple of 6. Now next one is 5, 1. 6 multiple of 6. Now look at here 6, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. It is multiple of 6. Therefore we get here 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1 and 6, 6. Therefore n of A is equal to 6. Now next event B. Now look at here. Condition is the sum of the digits on the upper faces is minimum 10. Write down here. The sum of the digits on the upper faces is minimum 10. Now minimum 10 is number 10 or more than 10. Therefore sum of the digits. Now look at here, sum of the digits, sum here 1 plus 1, 3 plus 6, now here we get 4, 6, 10, 4 comma 6, 10, next one is 5 plus 5, 10, and 5 plus 6, 11, because the word is minimum, therefore sum is 10 or more than 10. 6, 4, 10, 6, 5, 11, and 6, 6. Now we get here 4, 6, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6, 5, and 6, 6. Therefore, n of b is equal to 6. Now, next event is event C. Now, condition given here is for event C, the same digit on both the upper faces. Write down here. The same digits, the same digit on the upper faces. Therefore, C is equal to. Now, look at sample points. Same digits are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6, 6. Therefore, we can write here 1, 1, comma 2, 2, comma 3, 3, comma 4, 4, comma 5, 5, comma 6, 6. Now number of sample points here is 6. Therefore, write down here n of C is equal to 6. Next question is 3 coins are tossed simultaneously and conditions for event A, B and C are given here. Write down the solution. First sentence is 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Then the sample space, we know that, therefore S is equal to, now H, H, H. First H, others are T. Now the second number is H and others are T, and the third one is H, others are T, and T, T, T. First one is T, others are head. Second one is T, others are head, and third one is T, others are head. Look at here. Remember by it or by using tree diagram. H, 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 first H, others T, second H, others T, third H, others T, 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 first T, others H, second T, others H, third T, others H. Now we get here n of S is equal to 8. Now condition for event A. Write down here. Condition for event A. To get at least 2 heads. Now here word is used at least. At least 2 heads means 2 heads or more than 2. Therefore, A is equal to, now look at the sample points, sample space. Two, at least two heads means two or more heads. Therefore, we can write here H, H, H. One head, two heads, T, H, H. Now next one is H, T, H. Now here also two heads, H, H, T. Now we get here H, 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 T, H, 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 T, H and H, H, T. Therefore, N of A is equal to 4. Now, next. Condition for event B. Write down here. Condition for event B. Now, the condition is to get no head. Write down here. To get no head. Therefore, B is equal to, now look at the sample space, no heads means T, T, T. Therefore, we get only here T, T, T. Therefore, N of B is equal to 1. Now next condition for event C is to get head on the second coin. Now write down here. Condition for event C to get head on the second coin. Therefore, C is equal to, now look at here, sample space. Head on the second coin is H, H, H and T, H, T and T, H, H and H, H, T. Write down here. C is equal to H, H, H. Next is T, H, T. Next one T, H, H and last one is H, H, T. Therefore, N of C is equal to 4. Now, next question is, 2-digit numbers are formed using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition of the digits. And the conditions for event A, B, C are given here. Now write down the solution here. 2-digit numbers are formed using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 without repetition of the digits. Now we know that in 2-digit numbers 0 cannot be at 10 place. Therefore, we cannot write here 01, 02, 03, 04 or 05. Therefore, write down the sample space here. Start from 1, 1, 0, 10. Now 1, 1 is repetition of the digit. Now the next one is 1, 2, next 1, 3, next 1, 4, next 1, 5. Now we start from 2, 2, 0, 2, 1. Now 2, 2 is repetition of the digit. Therefore, we don't write here. Now next one is 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. Let's start from 3, 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2. Now 3, 3 is repetition of the digit. Now the next one is 3, 4 and 3, 5. Now I start from 4, 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4 3. Now 4 4 is repetition of the digit. Now next one is 4 5 and last 5 5 0 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 and 55 is the repetition of the digits. Therefore we don't write here. Now it is the sample points. Therefore n of s. Now counting the sample points: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. Therefore n of s is equal to 25. Now condition for event A is given. Write down here. Condition for event A. The number form is even. Now the even numbers are from the sample points. Write down here. Therefore A is equal to 10 12 14 20 24 30 32 next 34 40 42 50 52 and 54. Now therefore n of A is equal to, counting the sample points here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Therefore n of A is equal to 13. Now next condition for event B. The number form is divisible by 3. Write down here. Condition for event B. The number formed is divisible by 3. Therefore B is equal to, now divisible by 3. Divisibility test of 3, we know that if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Therefore look at sample space here. Write down the numbers from the sample space which is divisible by 3. 12. Next one is 15. 21. Next 24. 30. Then 42. 4 plus 2 6. Therefore it is divisible by 3. Next one is 4 plus 5 9. It is also divisible by 3. Now next 51. Now next is 54. Therefore we get here 12, 15, 21, 24, 30, 42, 45, 51 and 54. Therefore n of B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write down here 9. Now the next condition for event C. Now the condition for event C is the number formed is greater than 50. Therefore write down here the given condition. Condition for event C. The number form is greater than 50. Therefore, C is equal to, now look at sample points here. The numbers greater than 50 are 51, 52, 53 and 54. Write down inside the bracket 51, 52, 53, 54. Therefore, n of C is equal to 4. Next question is from 3 men and 2 women. Environment committee of 2 persons is to be formed, and conditions for event A, B, C are given here. Now write down the solution. There are 3 men and 2 women. Therefore, let us consider. Let 3 men are M1, M2, M3 and 2 women. Two women are W1, W2. Now, committee of 2 persons is to be formed. Therefore, sample space S is equal to, now 3 men means M1, M2, M3 and 2 women W1 and W2. Now from these 5 numbers, committee of 2 persons is to be formed. Therefore, now start from M1, we get M1, M2, M1, M3, M1, W1, M1, W2. Next, start from M2. Now M2 and M1 is already made. Therefore, M2, M3, M2, W1, next M2, W2. Now start from M3. Now M3, M1 it is already made and M3, M2 is already here. Therefore, from right hand side, M3, W1, M3, W2. Now next W1. Now W1, M1 is already made, M2 is already made, W1, M3 is already made. Therefore, next committee is W1, W2 and the last one is W2. W2, M1, W2, M2, W2, M3, W2, W1 already made. Therefore, n of S is equal to, now counting the sample points here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Therefore, n of S is equal to 10. Now the conditions are given. Condition for event A, there must be at least 1 woman member. Therefore, write down here condition. Condition for event A, there must be at least one woman member. Therefore, event A is equal to condition at least one woman number. Now the word is at least. At least means one woman or more than one woman. Therefore, now look at sample points here. Write down. Both are men. Here both are men. Now next one is M1 W1, M1 W2. Next both are men. Now next M2 W1. Here M2 W2. Next M3 W1. Next M3 W2. Both are women. W1 W2. Therefore, n of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, next is condition for event B. One man, one woman committee to be formed. Now, write down here. Condition for event B. One man, one woman committee to be formed. Therefore, B is equal to now one man and one woman. Now look at the sample points. M1 W1, M1 W2, M2 W1, M2 W2, M3 W1 and M3 W2. One man and one woman. Now n of B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, n of B is equal to 6. Now, next condition for event C, there should not be a woman member. Therefore, write down here condition for event C. There should not be a woman member. Therefore, C is equal to, now look at the sample points here. No woman means M1, M2, M1, M3, M2, M3. Write down here. M1, M2, M1, M3 and M2, M3. Therefore, n of C is equal to 3. Now, next question is one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously, and conditions for event B and C are given here. Now, write down the solution. Now we know that when the sample space when one coin is tossed, therefore one coin is tossed, therefore sample space S is equal to head or tail. N of S is equal to 2 and one die is thrown. When one die is thrown, then the sample space S is equal to either we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore, N of S is equal to 6. But in the question, one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Now, one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Therefore, sample space S is equal to now H with all numbers and T with all numbers. Write down here H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Now next T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. Therefore, N of S is equal to we get 12. Now, look at the condition. Condition for event A is to get ahead and odd numbers. Therefore, write down here condition for event A to get ahead and an odd number. Therefore, A is equal to, now look at the sample points here. Head with odd numbers are H1, H3 and H5. Therefore, N of A is equal to 3. Now, next one is condition for event B is to get a head or tail and an even number, means head or tail with even number. Therefore, write down here condition for event B, which is to get a head or tail and an even number. Therefore, B is equal to, now look at sample points here. Head or tail with even numbers are H2, H4, H6 and T2, T4 and last one is T6. Therefore, N of B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write down here answer. N of B is equal to 6. Now, next condition is condition for event C. Number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin. Now write down here condition for C. Condition for event C. Number on the upper faces. Number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin. Therefore, C is equal to, now number on the upper face is greater than 7. Now we don't have 7 or greater than 7 numbers on the upper face. Therefore, it is an empty set. Therefore, C is equal to 5, denoted by 5. Write down here. Number of elements in set C is equal to 0. Allah Hafiz.